Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, May 19th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos from Friday. And on Friday, gold versus the dollar came in number one, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on gold from Friday morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over there. So anyways, gold did keep on pushing up. Now if you actually do zoom out quite a ways on the 1 hour or go up to the daily, you will see we are back up at previous highs. And on these sort of time frames, the 1 hour, we definitely do have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shape. So I kind of would expect it to go down. I would expect to see a break of structure, probably the end of this 5-way pattern. Then we're just going to have to observe it to see if it makes like 3 waves down, like an A, a B, and a C, and then a nice Fibonacci bounce at one of these fib levels. If it does do that, then I would definitely exit my shorts and go long for the continuation of the uptrend, because I do believe we're in a big wave 3 on the much higher time frames. On the other hand, if it makes impulsive down and makes it more of a 1, 2, 3 shape and goes down and breaks this structure, then that would at least turn me into a seller temporarily, because I do believe we are still in a wave 3 on the weekly and monthly time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to the daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to all my swing trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.